Police in Pendleton, Oregon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gillum County in north-central Oregon, northern Sherman County in north-central Oregon, north-central Wasco County in north-central Oregon, Klickitat County in south-central Washington, southwestern Yakima County in south-central Washington, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Dells to Maryhill to near Rock Creek, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include the Dalles, Goldenville, Biggs, Klickitat, Wasco, Rufus, Goodmill Hills, Lyle, Chenoweth, Rock Creek, Cliffs, Maryhill, Wishram, Glenwood, Yakima Reservation, Bickleton, Blockhouse, Centerville, Lowlock, and Sea Lilo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 04:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Yakima, Washington. This is NOAA Weather in Pendleton broadcasting from KIG 75 in Yakima. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following county.